Hi, how have you been? In this video, I'll walk you through how to track accessibility and the steps that you could take when necessary in Microsoft Word. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, please hit that subscribe button and click notifications icon as well. The previous videos covered how to make your documents accessible by following accessibility compliance checklists, so please watch them if you're interested. When you're ready to send your document to your coworkers, supervisors, customers, and much more, you might want to double-check if your document is fully accessible. To check accessibility, go to the Review tab. Click the drop-down icon next to Check Accessibility and then select Check Accessibility. Oops, there are some errors that I need to fix. To fix those errors, I'll click the drop-down icon next to the first table and then click Use First Row as Header. Next, I'll click the drop-down icon next to the second table, and then click Use First Row as Header. In terms of the third table, repeat the steps that I just took. Alright, it looks like that this document is fully accessible because it says that no accessibility issues found. Last but not least, have you ever uploaded your accessible document in your Blackboard course that integrates with Blackboard Ally? By the way, Blackboard Ally gives you only 98 or 99 accessibility scores. No worries. If Blackboard Ally gives you 98 or 99% accessibility score to your accessible document, go to File, click the Info tab, and then add a title next to the title section. As you see here, I typed Syllabus Template. Upon completion in adding your title, check your accessibility score in your Blackboard course after uploading your accessible document. Alright, this video covered how to track accessibility and the steps that you could take when necessary in order to make your document fully accessible in both Microsoft Word and the Learning Management System Blackboard. If you enjoyed or found it useful, hit that like button. If you want to see me cover any other topics or have any questions, leave a note down below. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Wishing you and your loved ones a happy, healthy, and safe holiday season.